folks, and welcome back to Fishing with Den. Well, I've been hearing quite a lot lately about how prawns are supposed to be quite a good bait for carp. And I'm thinking, well, I've never tried them before, so today we're going to give them a go. I'm fishing on the river, and I'll just show you that quickly now. Here it is. You've all seen it before. It's one of my favourite stretches of river. It's tidal. It's about, I don't know, between 12 and 14 feet deep generally. And there are some really big carp in here. And in actual fact, I did do this video last week, but unfortunately I had some major GoPro malfunctions, and basically the video was pretty much trashed. So really this is a repeat video, but what I am going to do is just prove to you that I did catch a 20-pound fish here last week on a prawn. I apologise for the obscuration of the lens. What had happened was my woolly cover for the GoPro had somehow moved and covered part of the lens. But you can see me catching this 20-pound fish on a piece of prawn. Here we go. Well, it's something. I just don't know what. Well, can't do much with him. Take me time. Oh wow, that's a decent fish. Definitely take me time with this one, eh? Look at the size of that. Well, question now is, will he fit in the net? That's a lump. He doesn't want to know, does he? He's off. Just one kick of his tail and I'm back where I started again. Right, let's see how we go with this. I've seen the hook inside his mouth, it's just inside. He's definitely not swallowed it or anything. Oh. It's taking me a while, isn't he? Yeah, moment of danger. Come on, fish. Get in that net. It's too big for the net. Oh, great. And off we go again, off to the races. Well, this is going to be fun. Tried to get him in head first, but that didn't seem to be deep enough for it. Right. This time I'll try and get him in head first and curl his body round as well. What does they say about boats? Gonna need a bigger one. Well, I'm gonna need a bigger net. Right. Try that again. Head in. Oh, not quite. Head in. Body curved. Oh, a bit sticking out of the net. Come on, get in the net. Oh well. Come on, curl in. Come on, curl in. That's about as good as I can do. Just hope he doesn't decide to throw himself out. Wow. That is a good fish. Oof. Well, You've got to smile at that one. And 21 pounds, 5 ounces. And just in case you're wondering, folks, yes, I have got a bigger landing net today, just in case. You never know, lightning could strike twice. Well, I know I said that this was about using prawns for bait today, but just to start off with, I'm going to do my usual thing. I've got the normal ground bait, which is half breadcrumb, half ground chicken layer pellets and some turmeric mixed in. I've got a couple of bits of sweet corn on the hook on a hair rig, and I just wanted to try this first of all, just to make sure there's fish around and I'm going to start catching. I mean, if I threw the prawn in straight away and didn't catch anything, well, couldn't really deduce from that whether that was because the prawns are no good or whether there was just no fish here today. So we'll give it a try on the corn first of all and just see how that goes. So just in case you're wondering, folks, why I'm still using a bread-based ground bait rather than a fish meal-based ground bait, it's really simple. In this area here, there's a lot of eels, and if I start putting in fish meal ground bait along with pieces of prawns, I'm absolutely convinced I'm going to get inundated by eels, and frankly, I hate eels. So that's my excuse, and that's why I'm going to feed as I am. That'll do. First bite after probably about half an hour. Now, I've started on sweet corn just to make sure I can get some bites today, and then we'll try the prawns a little bit later. Well, first fish then. He's not huge, especially for this river, but at the same time, all very welcome. And there we go. Having said that, look at that. It's in spawn. Yep, nice little fish. Well, I had that one fish and then the bites just stopped, so I'm going to try a section of this cooked piece of prawn on a hair rig. As you can see, as I said before, just going to use the same ground bait. It does seem to be attracting one or two fish into the swim at the moment, because I have had a couple of liners in the last few minutes. So we'll get this out there and we'll see if it produces. Hopefully, fingers crossed, eh? Well, finally had a bite. Been a slow day today. I've been on corn and on prawns, and I'm probably halfway through the day, and literally, this is my second bite. There he is. There we go. There we go. Well, just goes to show that using a prawn does work, because this one was on that section of prawn. So I'm quite pleased about that. Not the biggest fish in the world, but not bad at all, eh? You wouldn't believe it, would you? Sat there all that time. I just poured myself that cup of tea out. Hadn't even got the... Whoa! Hold on, fish. Not going to complain about this one. This one's taking some good amount of line. Whoa! Wow. Well, the tea trick obviously works really well. Tie some. Come on, fish. Slow down. That must have taken 30 metres of line. Wow. As I was trying to say before I was so rudely interrupted by this fish, I was just pouring a cup of tea out, and then off it went. Off he goes again. Wow. I had to tighten down the clutch quite a bit to slow him down. Well, he's either big, or he's very fit, or he's both. Where are we? Somewhere down there, okay. He's gone up that way now. I haven't seen him yet. Oh, he's off again. Yep, there he goes. Oof. Come on, fish. Can't move him. Just take me time. Oh, there we go again. This has got to be a good fish. He's been across the other side of the river, up that way. He's going down that way again now. Wow. I don't want to put too much the clutch on, so I'll just put my finger on there a little bit just to slow it down a fraction. There we go. Well, he just plodded off into the middle of the stream. Right, well, I got that sort of 30 metres back, and then he's took 20 back again. Nice and gentle. No sudden moves. I'm glad I bought the bigger landing net today. Can't shift him. He keeps doing somersaults, which bounces a rod tip. Makes me think I've lost him, and my heart goes in my mouth. Come on, fish, we've got to get you in. Making a bit more line again. Arm's getting tired now. Mind you, shouldn't complain, should I? Here we go again. I just get the line back and off he goes again every time. Slow him down a little bit more. Or not. Oh, I thought he'd come off again then, but he's still there, I think. Or is he? I don't know what's going on here. Oh yeah, he's coming back towards me now. Well, who knew with this fish? If I get this one in, I'll be so pleased and relieved. I really thought he'd come off with that bounce then, but then he swam straight towards me. This is a hell of a fight. Well, he's actually come down underneath me now. Not really by my choice, more by his. It's definitely a carp. And this was on a prawn too. Oh, come on fish, don't go up there. It's creating clouds in the water now. Come on fish. There he is, he's out there. Right, where are you? There we go, there's the feeder. Okay, right. There's net. Danger part again, down at the net. Come on, fish. Doesn't want to know, does he? Right, let's see what we can do now. Come on, fish, head first, please. No, that's it. Ah, okay. Well. I'm glad I bought the bigger net because I needed it for this one. Ooh. And the scales say, wow. I know, 19 pounds 6 ounces, so it's just over 18 pounds. Not quite as big as that one last week, but a nice fish nevertheless. Well folks, as you've just seen, that one went 18 pounds, and I'd have to say that's the best fight I've had any fish for such a long time now. I honestly thought it was bigger than just over 18 pounds, but I'm not complaining. That was a really good experience. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Scared the hell out of me at times. Certainly still haven't made me a cup of tea yet, as you can see down there, but I can waste a cup of tea for a fish of that size, eh? Right, let's get back out there. Well folks, I haven't had any more fish since the big one, and time's moving on, so I'm going to have to think about packing up shortly. I suppose as the day goes, I haven't had too many bites, and I've been alternating between the sweet corn and the prawns. And certainly today, based on the, as I say, limited amount of bites, the prawns have outfished the corn. Also, I'm just wondering if they pull out the bigger fish. That one I had today at 18 pounds and the one last week at 20 pounds are making me wonder if that's exactly the case. So definitely worth a bit more investigation, but of course that's for another day. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. As usual, if you liked it, you know, click the like button. If you want to subscribe, you can. And until the next time, bye for now.